नमस्कार, स्वागत आहे महाराष्ट्र प्रीमियर लीगच्या लीग स्टेजचा आजचा हा शेवटचा दिवस. कॅप्टन ऋतुराज गायकवाड winning the toss, deciding to field first. Ratnagiri Jets, not a lot of changes. Of course, all eyes on Azim Kazi, Nikhil Naik, Hingnekar and Puneri Bappa have made one change. Shripad Nimbalkar has been dropped and in comes Pawan Shah. ऋतुराज Gaikwad once again, the wicket-keeper batter. Openers change there today. Dheeraj Patangare comes in. Yes, all right. Azim Kazi, the very busy Azim Kazi. Strike rate of 109. Yash Shirsagar to start proceedings. He's picked up 3 wickets, economy of 6.44. चला खेळूया महाराष्ट्र प्रीमियर लीगच्या लीग स्टेजचा आजचा हा शेवटचा दिवस आहे. रत्नागिरी qualify for the playoffs. Pures Puneri Bappa playing for pride. Good finish to the over. Comes down the track. One bounce for him. Yes, pitched up again. And the last ball. Once again, Dheeraj Patangare saying 9 yesterday. Pitched up and goes over mid-on. Completely different in the power play. Shuffles and the safe shot. No. Is he looking for the release shot? There we go. Comes down the track. First up. Looking to put some pressure. And a deep point placed. Pulls it on the leg side. And easy offerings these for Azim. Game of cricket. It's a very good start here to this over and in this power play for the
next season के लिए ऋतुराज गायकवाड़. बढ़िया शॉट यहाँ पर on the up. धीरज पतंगरे
for the Ratnagiri Jets. And as we say that, there's a wicket that falls immediately after the timeout. Roshan Vaksan
by Rohan Kharat. Too many dot balls created pressure, and Dheeraj Patangare wanted to play a big shot here, scoring 38 runs of 22 balls, 57 for 1. Yeah, bowled in. बढ़िया गेंदबाजी, वही ऑफ स्पिनर वाली गेंद डाली थी और ये मिडिल स्टंप लेग स्टंप पे पड़ी थी. बड़ा शॉट मारने की कोशिश थी अजीम काजी की. कल भी उन्होंने 4 विकेट निकाली थी. ये बढ़िया गेंदबाजी, ऊपर से उंगलियां डाली थी, ऊपर पूरा हाथ घुमाकर और गुगली डालते वैसे. और ऋतुराज गायकवाड़ देखो कितने खुश हो गए अजीम काजी के साथ. बहुत ही देखते हैं ऋतुराज गायकवाड़ ऐसे कभी रिएक्ट नहीं करते. अजीम काजी 19 रन बना के पहले में.
Spinners. Flighted ball, but this time power behind that shot.
पड़ता है आपको वही. और दूसरा शॉट लगातार ये चौका मिलेगा. बढ़िया बल्लेबाजी.
Lighted ball and he accepts the invitation. Preetam Patil also hits a 6.
वाले नहीं है तो चांस दिया. इस बार ऊपर पिच की थी. बढ़िया शॉट. छोड़ मले.
Mid on, right behind the umpire, and the ball will sail over the fence for a 6. Got his delivery, pulls that one and deposits it outside. Got his delivery, pulls that one. There's a fielder there, straight at deep square leg. That's a gift.
Ball to get a wicket. That's the luck I was talking about. He got lucky there. Only one fielder there went straight to him.
Walking off, dejected, disappointed. Oh, 38, 172. Very, very dangerous batter to have in the middle right.
मदद कर सकता है. ओह, बहुत ही तेज मारा था यहाँ पर. चौका.
Oh, nicely hit. Nikhil Naik.
हल्का शॉट था ये. थोड़ा ऑफ स्टंप के बाहर गए और फ्लैट 6. महाराष्ट्र प्रीमियर लीग की ये फ्लैट 6. पिछले 2 साल और इस साल में भी ये फ्लैट 6.
Nicely played. Good use of the feet. This is brilliant batting. Powerfully hit. This is an impactful knock so far from Nick.
Shot and great shot by
Preet.
He follows that 6 with a boundary. Sahil
किया बोल्ड स्लो ओवर वन अच्छी गेंदबाजी यहां पर रामकृष्ण घोष ने कायल चूरी को आउट किया काफी अक्रॉस खेल गए बैक ऑफ द हैंड डाला था ये गेंद और उसके पहले ही बैट घूम गई थी
He walks back. Sahil Churi scored 10, 154 for 4. Connects really well. That is Nikhil Naik. Full toss, one-handed brilliance. This is the brilliance that we. It's gone high up in the air. And it will clear the field. Oh, two back-to-back one-handed sixes from Nikhil Naik. 22 of the last over. Neeraj Fatangare 38, Kiran Chormale 38, but Nikhil Naik 41 not out of just 19 was 2 for 36. But the two spinners have been very impressive for the last couple of matches for Puneri Bappa. Rohan Kharat 1 for 30 of 4 overs will be 179 to win in 20 overs. We take a shot.
158 runs to his name in the previous 8 outings, best of 46. 36 deliveries of the field restrictions, best of 52. Strike rate of 112 points. They also qualify. Pradeep Dare, 7 wickets to his name in this tournament this season.
Very first delivery down the leg side. Easy call. Yes, it is. Yes, it is. What a way to start. Got his delivery this time. Pulls that one. Will get a boundary. Ramakrishna Ghosh. And straight away in the power play. Got his delivery. Pulls that one. The fielder will not be able to cut it off. Again down the leg side. This time huge appeal by Nikhil. And given.
Let's have a look. Did that clip the pads or the bat, and watch Ramakrishna Ghosh's reaction. And Ghosh still unhappy, but has to depart. Back in the dugout for 17.
Yes, Shirsagar has walked in. Plays that up Pishley and he's gone. Bachao takes a very good catch there.
Satyajit Bachao. It was his strong arm that he was running towards, the left hand, left arm spinner. Beautifully caught on that occasion. Over. Pawan Shah departs for 13, 34 for 2.
Damle. Just a strike rate of 117, just 107 runs. The Ratnagiri Jets haven't lost to the Forest Puneri Bappa. Chance! Oh, brilliant work there. Kiran Chormale, the fielder. Perfect pickup. He just had that one stump to aim at.
Damle is walking out. It's not close. So that's the third wicket down. Avi goes Damle for 1. 36 for 3.
He'll be at the non-striker's end. 86 runs for him.
Situations. Great shot. Lovely shot. Slide use of the feet.
Just dancing and clean bowl. So Yogesh Dhawan sticking.
और जो विकेट टू विकेट डालता हो, thank you very much says Chawan. Well bowled. बोला ना इनका easy action है. सागर ने बनाए 17 रन, 62 for 4.
62 for 4. In comes Suraj Shinde. Still no Ruturaj Gaikwad. 127 exactly at the halfway stage. There will lose another wicket. An excellent.
And looking for a big shot there. Long boundary. Excellent catch by Kiran Chormale. आज उनका दिन है और इनका दिन तो अभिमन्यु जाधव 10 रन बना के पैवेलियन में 62 for 5.
Rohan Kharat's job is done with the ball. Sahil Outtade. Very first over. He picks up more, but here he'll pick up 6. Sahil. Tajid Bachav. In the air, the fielder will just watch it sail over him.
और ये दूसरा शॉट वो इस दिशा में चौका मिलेगा, पहला छक्का आया था.
In the air, this time clears once again. Oh, Suraj Shinde. That's.
पर ये शॉट बहुत ही बेहतरीन था. दोनों शॉट से इसमें ताकत भी थी, टाइमिंग था और फ्लैट 6. ये जाके वो चेयर पे जा, एंगल बदला यहाँ पर और ये कवर के दिशा में छक्का. व्हाट अ शॉट अगेन.
He takes the aerial route and in grand style finishes this over. Finish with a 6. Here a new over starts with a 6. Oh, this is absolutely incredible batting. Interesting. This time Vijay Pavle takes of Sahil Outtade.
गेंद थोड़ी ज्यादा ऊपर डाल रही थी क्योंकि उनको एलिवेशन मिला नहीं है. इसके लिए विजय पावले के हाथ में सीधा. उसके पहले भी एक मौका मिला था और ये चतुर गेंदबाज है. साहिल अवतड़े 16 रन बना के एक अच्छा मोमेंटम ला के दिया. 110 पर 6.
Batter that has walked out to bat is Ruturaj Gaikwad. Strike rate of 168.6 this season.
सूरज शिंदे बढ़िया खेलते हैं पर मिस फील्ड. यहाँ पर चौका मिल सकता है और मिलेगा.
Bowled perfectly. Will we look to dispatch something like that? Pick the length on that occasion. No risk. Bang from the middle of the bat. As easy as it gets for Ruturaj.
Yes, Nikhil Bhai called it just before the delivery. He's the man. Yes, he's the man. He gets his first 50 in MPL.
The cricket ball, Suraj Shinde, take a bow. Gets to his.
Oh, clean ball! Suraj Shinde, the man they wanted, has been dismissed.
Was looking to go big once again. He's been striking the ball really well, but this time around, just drags it back onto the stumps. Suraj Shinde, 55 of just 24 deliveries. It's 147 for 7.
Final delivery of the over. Yeah, played that nicely. And what a way to finish the over. A boundary. Up in the air, long on. Yes!
Wicket always comes in handy. The slow ball doing the trick. Sachin Bhosle was looking to go big on the onside. A good catch there by Sahil Chori. Cameo. 8 of just 6 deliveries. It's 165 for 8.
165 for 8. Vivek Shelar is the new man in. He starts off with a boundary. What a way to start his innings. Very well bowled there. Pushing for 2. Pushing for 2. Ruturaj is keen. And a throw at the non-striker. Yes, he's good.
Phenomenal. Have a look at this. Was batting deep in the crease. The short run. Was wanting to go back Ruturaj and then.
He can't! What a win for Ratnagiri Jets! Ruturaj Gaikwad is not able to get a big one. And Ratnagiri Jets win by 6 runs. Ruturaj Gaikwad held himself back. And in the end, gallant chase fell short. It shows that Ratnagiri Jets have a Q next to their name on the points table. And it is a fantastic victory for Ratnagiri Jets.